road marks. You can see that road mark.
Yeah.
That's an arrow, and you can see the triangle. Don't hit the triangle. And go, please. Come on, you're green. Do not hit the triangle. Drive along the triangle. So, and you can go because they are right. So take care of these. The main roads, the yellow one, no, it's a cross. You can see that. Then come a little bit slower. Yep. Go please, go green. Ah, it's not so nice, no, to drive with a tram nearby, no? I know. I know that. It's not comfortable. You're not feeling good. You can let pause the tram and then you can follow the tram. Yeah, now it's better, no? Yeah, dangerous, no? Absolute. So now we want to turn right here. And if you turn right now, look in the mirror. Okay, nobody there, then you can go. No? Let them go. Straight, no? And then you go. Yep, exactly. Okay. So, and now we turn left. Here is